Hello! Welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we're going to do a room tour, hotel review of Quality Inn in Kansas City, Kansas. Alright, so you into the room. There's a closet area here. Got a luggage rack, ironing board. It's the main bedroom, the main living quarters. King size bed and a Whirlpool tub. This little nook alcove, there's a microwave, coffee machine, mini fridge. The mini fridge is clean. Unlike most rooms I enter in, the windows are already open in this room. And you just got a view of the back of the hotel. There's a gas station and the interstate across the way there. Make sure there's no bed bugs. Looks clean underneath. Pillows look clean. Show on this side. There's only two pieces of art decor. These flowers. And over here, I'm not for sure. Those could possibly be Kansas City photos. I'm not for sure. Big old giant mirror there. Woo, here. Wow. Just to the Whirlpool tub. See me in the mirror. But nice big shower here. Toilet. Toilet is clean. And it is. Now these are Kansas City photos. I'm not for sure what that building is called, but this is the Kansas City Union Station. And I forgot the last couple of hotels. The hotels are kind of average. Hair dryer. So not bad. Not bad at all. Now at the end of the hall, there was an ice machine, as well as a snack machine. But there are no snacks in the snack machine. Small pool in here. And a very small fitness center as well. We got a bike, some weights, a bench, some more weights, and a treadmill. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. If you've liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's some place that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you would like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to either Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon and making a donation there, or becoming a member there. You can also support the channel by hitting the super like button down below from YouTube. 50% of everything donated goes to the creator. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.